Hey everybody, Mac here from Science Central. Well, I'm actually coming to you from my home, but I wanted to let you know about two really cool events that are coming up next week. So next Friday and next Saturday. So I'll pull up my little Facebook app here. The first one is At Home Science Porch Light Mothing. Now, this is going to be on April 24th. So that's a week from now. That's going to be next Friday. And it's a cool citizen science way to get involved, even though we're still just kind of stuck around the home, right? So what this is this is partnering with an app called iNaturalist. This is a global event. So people from all over the world are going to be using this iNaturalist app to help identify the various bugs that are attracted to the light that emits off of your front porch. Pretty cool, right? The second event that we have going on is the Backyard Bio Blitz. And again, this is using the iNaturalist app. So this is what it looks like here on a little Facebook event page. Now you might be wondering, what is this iNaturalist app? How can I get it? And how does it work? Well, with Android or Apple, you're just going to go into your app store, wherever that is, whether it's the Apple or I particularly have an Android. So you're going to find your app store and you're going to search for iNaturalist. And it's this little guy. Now, I already have mine downloaded, but once you have it downloaded, you can open it up here. And you know what? This app is probably best explained and walked through by our very own Mr. Gary Stoops. Gary, why don't you take it away and show us all how to use iNaturalist?
So, as you can see, I have the iNaturalist app downloaded on my phone, and if I wanted to make a live observation, I just hit that, and it pulls up a home screen where it shows observations that I've put into iNaturalist. For this experiment, or I should say for this trial, we're going to show you how to use it. So if you hit observe down here on the camera, it'll allow you to take a picture. And we're going to take a picture here of Dr. Banner. Good focus. Grab the picture. Hit next. And iNaturalist has an artificial intelligence program that will help you identify. It'll say, what did you see? And click on that. And it will come up with information on what you think you saw. So up here is just your typical iguana picture. If you know the exact genus and species, you can scroll down for a little bit more to find out what genus and species the animal could be. So we could add that as a typical iguana. Go back to the page, hit share, and then other people can look at your observation, and they can either agree or challenge it. And iNaturalist can also take other artifacts, such as we have a shell over here. Let's see if I can get a good picture of the shell. Again, we hit next. And what did you see? And it comes up with the subfamily. And I know that this is a lightning whelk shell, so if I wanted to submit that, I would add that. And again, hit share, and that would add to my observation list. So it also works, again, we'll show you for plants. We have a spider plant over here. Grab a picture. Now, plants can be rather tricky because you can get a good shot, and sometimes you have shots that other plants are in. So as you see, I've got a shot submitted. What did you see? So it's come up with a lot of different suggestions, but I know again that this is a spider plant. So tap on that, and then I hit share, and it would add to my observations. So it's a pretty simple app to use. Once you explore it, there's areas where you can say captivated or cultivated, and whether it is a shot out in the wild or a captured shot inside, like our museum. You know, obviously Dr. Banner, our shell, we know exactly where these animals were at. So I would hit that they were a captive animal, and so it's not a shot out in the wild. But I just wanted to show you how that app would work. And this is the app that we're going to use when we talk about the City Nature Challenge coming up in April. It'll be April 24th through the 27th. We'll have more information on that and how you can participate in that around the area, just out in your own backyard. The beautiful thing about this app, it can be taken anywhere, and it helps scientists all around the world kind of get an idea of what's out there in the environment around you. So it's a great way to be a citizen scientist. Thank you, and remember, science is fun.
Super cool. Thanks, Gary. So remember, next week on the 24th and on the 25th, those are two really cool events. So whether you're looking at the nocturnal life and all of the insects and bugs around us and identifying them that way, or whether you just want to hang out in your backyard, middle of the day on Friday, and take a look at some mushrooms or grass or trees or bushes or flowers or maybe some pollinators. Some pollinators are probably out and about. Use that iNaturalist app, and I look forward to joining you in this really cool citizen science experiment. This has been Mac from Science Central, or from my house, signing off.